Welcome back to Helper. Today, we're diving into the world of the PampZilla token. This new cryptocurrency is designed as a meme coin, and it's built on the Solana blockchain. Currently, PampZilla is in its pre-sale phase, and this guide will show you how to buy it. Remember, this is not financial advice, and it's essential that you do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. Let's explore PampZilla in more detail. This project aims to establish its place within the Solana ecosystem. We'll delve into its mission and vision, understanding its intended purpose on the Solana blockchain. Key to its appeal are any unique features or utilities that set it apart. Finally, we'll provide an overview of the tokenomics, covering details like the total supply and any initial token burns that might have occurred. Using the Solana blockchain as the base for this project comes down to several key advantages. First off, Solana offers significantly faster transaction speeds when compared to other blockchains, meaning your transactions will go through much quicker. Secondly, the transaction costs, or gas fees, are much lower on Solana, making it more affordable to use. Furthermore, Solana provides excellent scalability, making it well suited for handling the high volume often associated with meme-coins. And finally, Solana boasts a rapidly growing ecosystem and user base, which provides a fertile ground for the growth and adoption of new projects. Read what you need to know about the presale. We'll cover the exact start and end dates, so you don't miss out. Next, we'll discuss the token allocation that's specifically earmarked for the presale. We'll also detail the price per token that will be in effect during this initial offering, which is a key factor when making your decision. You'll also want to be aware of the minimum and maximum contribution amounts. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, we'll provide a step-by-step guide on exactly how to participate in the presale, walking you through the process from start to finish. Participate in the PampZilla token presale. You'll first need a Solana wallet, with popular options including Phantom and Solflare. Create a new wallet and, crucially, store your seed phrase securely, as it's the key to accessing your funds. Next, you'll need SOL, the native cryptocurrency of the Solana blockchain, which can be purchased on centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Once you have SOL, transfer it to your newly created Solana wallet. Then, navigate to the PampZilla presale website, ensuring you're using the correct link, and connect your Solana wallet to the site. Now you're ready to participate in the presale by entering the amount of SOL you want to contribute. Carefully review all the transaction details before confirming the transaction in your wallet. Finally, after the presale concludes, you'll need to claim your PampZilla tokens, so pay close attention to any specific instructions provided for the claiming process. Vesting in meme coins and participating in presales comes with inherent risks, so it's important to be fully aware of these before committing any funds. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, meaning prices can fluctuate dramatically in short periods. Furthermore, the space is susceptible to scams or rug pulls, where developers abandon a project after raising funds. Therefore, it's critical to conduct thorough research, often abbreviated as DYR, before investing in any cryptocurrency. A fundamental principle to remember is only to invest what you can afford to lose, as the potential for loss is always present in the cryptocurrency market. Please take a look at the official links and resources for this project. You'll find the website, which is the main hub for information. There's also a Telegram group for community discussions and announcements, as well as a Twitter account to stay up to date on the latest news. For a more in-depth community experience, check out their Discord server. Be sure to review the white paper, if available, for a comprehensive overview of the project's goals and technical details. You can also find other relevant links that will give you a better understanding of the project. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper. To wrap things up, Remember that PampZilla is the name of this Solana-based meme coin currently in pre-sale. We discussed how to potentially acquire it. However, it's crucial to emphasize the need for thorough research and careful consideration before participating in any cryptocurrency pre-sale, including this one. If PampZilla interests you and you've done your homework, consider participating in the pre-sale, joining the community to stay updated, and generally keeping yourself informed about the project's developments.